Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to sign up on Google AdSense. So what is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is ad network company owned by Google. They use it to monetize content online. If you're a blogger, if you're a YouTuber, this is a platform that's been designed by Google to help content creators online to monetize their content to users. So, as a blogger, as a content creator, as a YouTuber, you can actually monetize your content using Google AdSense. And Google AdSense is the biggest ad network company in the whole wide world. So, because of the popularity in the market, so I'll be guiding you through on how to sign up on Google AdSense, add the Google AdSense on your code for bloggers. If you're using blogger platform, I'll show you how to add integrate the Google ad code on your blog. Then if you're using WordPress, I'll also be showing you how to do that. But before that, before you start watching this video, make sure that you watch this how to how to eh, get AdSense approval first. So you need to know how to prepare your blog, set your blog so that you can get AdSense approved on your blog so that ads will start showing on your blog. Then you can start making some money. And as you can see, we have a whole lot of content on our channel ranging from blogging, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and a whole lot of content down on our blog. You can go to our playlist and check. There are so many videos here. So we have so many video content on our blog. So do well to subscribe to our channel at Bizyjoe.com. If today is your first time of visiting our channel, always share this channel with your friends. These are playlists we have WhatsApp. We have so many videos on WhatsApp, more than 5 videos. Then we have Canva. Then we have SEO. We have YouTube. If you want to start a YouTube channel, we have video on YouTube. And we also have video on blogging. We have a lot of useful videos on blogging. We have more than 23 videos plus on blogging. So let's get started. So if you want to sign up on Google AdSense, the link is google.com/AdSense. Google.com/AdSense, but I'll be dropping the link on the description box below. So do well to check the description box below. So once you click on that link, it will direct you to this particular page. You will see Google AdSense. This is the home page. So we say we value your content. So create content, take time, make it profitable. Shouldn't. So you say click get started. So they say 2 million people have chosen AdSense. Here is why. Earn money from your website, ad optimized for mobile, and save time. So you can just take your time, go through their website and see what they are offering you. So but there's no time to do all this. So if you want to sign up on Google AdSense, you click on get started. But if you already have an account with them, you can sign in. So but for the purpose of this training, we are getting started. So we click on get started. So it's coming up. So you need to have your email logged in on your browser already. If the email that you want to use to sign up is not here, you can just click on use another email. So but let me just use this email to sign up. So once you click on that email, then you add your website. So but for the purpose of this training, I'll be using this my site. Let me use this site. I'll be using this site. It's a blogger site. Let me use it. Although I've applied for AdSense with this particular, okay, arsenalgist.com. So if you want to design, it's coming up. This is too bad. Okay. Let me copy this. So if you want to design something like this, if you want to design something like this, I have a video on my channel on how to design a website, a blog like this. Very simple and easy. So just go to my channel and watch those videos. So let me go back to this. So they say add website. To click on website. So it's coming. Okay, here we come. So I've already added my website link here. Then if you don't have a site, you can just tick on this, but I already have a site. Then get more out of this. Then you can tick yes. Then you select your country. Select your country. So, okay, it's coming up. So I'm from Nigeria. So let me go down. So wow, okay, I've seen it. So I'll select Nigeria. So choose your country because they are going to send PIN to your country. There are two verification you need to carry out. You need to carry out personal verification, then with your address. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on start using AdSense. So it will load. This is just how simple it is. This is how simple it is to create an AdSense account. It's very, 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 very simple. So it's still loading as you are waiting for it. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, please do it to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified. And always share our video to your friends, your well wisher, even your enemies, so that it will be a win-win, so that they will also partake on this great opportunity. So that when you are making money, they'll also be making money too. So that there will not be any room for envy. So wow. So this is our AdSense account. As you can see, we have actually created a fresh new AdSense account. So but this account is not fully functional. As you can see, our privacy and messaging tab is not functioning. Then our optimization is also not functioning. So but this is still loading. It's because of network. It's still loading, still coming up. Okay, here we are. So after sign up, this is the first page you're going to see. This is the first page. So let's just go it one after the other. The first one is payment. So you need to enter your payment information, then add, then you connect your site. So you go one after the other. So let's go and enter information, our customer information. So it's still coming up. Oh, this too bad. This too bad. Okay. So we start. So the first thing to do, the type of, okay, let's click on this. Create a payment information. So the type of account you open, is it business or individual account? So if you are opening a business account, the difference is for businesses, you are going to verify with your business certificate, maybe a certificate to show that your business is registered. So even at that, even with businesses, we still verify the person. So as you submit maybe the CAC, if you're from Nigeria, that's the Corporate Affairs Commission certificate, then you also put the passport of any person that is representing the business. So then you put your business name if you're using business. So let me use individual. So let me use Chime Joseph. Then address, you put address. So let me use 3B Asata Enugu. Make sure that this address is the same thing on your card. Make sure it is the same thing. So there's no address to then sub Enugu. Down. Let me see, choose Enugu. Then postal code. If you don't know your postal code, just go to Google and search your postal code on Google. Just go to Google and search postal code. So let me use 40211 is my postal code. Then I will test state, Enugu State. Then this number is very important, although it's optional, but it's very important. If they are the way bill or if they sent your letter, then the post office need to contact you. In some cases, they need to call the number on the letter so that you come and pick your letter for address verification. So, but I would even need bank. So after that, click on submit. So I didn't add any. I didn't add any number. Enter your phone number to follow your country code and plus would like to. Okay, that they have now started to verify. That's a new update. So let me add my phone number 3493511. That's a new update to verify your phone number. Okay, let me add plus 234. So it's a nice one. So they are going to send you a code. Let me bring my phone. So they're going to send me a code from Google to verify my phone number. So I'm still okay. The code have come. So let me enter it 554823. So I click on submit. So then the next thing to do, I've already completed this. I will now click on this is explore. You don't need to do anything here. So let me click on connect site. Okay, let me keep this. So let me just click on connect site. I will go here. Then I will request a review. Just click on request a review. If you don't do this, then you will see that thank you for connecting your site. Then you click on get code. You need to add this code on your website. So I'm seeing request a review. So if you still encounter this, what you're going to do is just go to site, then okay, go to show detail. You see setup. Okay, I'm seeing setup here. Let me put automatic add, apply, save. Okay, so this is on. Then I'll click on get code. I'll click on get code. Then I'll just copy this code. This is code I'm looking for. I'll just copy this code. Control C. Okay, copy. Once I copy this code, I click on done. So I'm done with anything I have to do here. So I'll just go back to my blogger. Okay, so if you go back to your blogger, if you want to integrate this code on your blogger, what you need to do is just to go to theme, click on theme, because you are told to add this on the header. You are adding it on the header tag. So just click on theme for blogger user. If you're using blogger, you click on theme. So it will load. Then click on drop down. Then click on edit HTML. Once you click on edit HTML, it will now open up the HTML code of the website. Just click on any part of the HTML code and just click on Ctrl plus F. The search bar will come out. Then just type head. That's the closing tag of head. So as you can see, this is the closing tag of head. So you put it here, just Ctrl V. Then I already pasted the code here. As you can see, I already pasted this code here. So I will just save it. It will save. So as you can see, updated. So this is just how to add this on Blogger. If you are on WordPress, you still follow the same procedure, but the platform is not different. So if you are on WordPress, once you log into your back end on your WordPress, if you want to add Google code, You can do this in two ways. You can go to plugins, you can add it through plugins, go to plugins and add maybe header code. Download a plugin called header code. But I don't normally follow that procedure because I don't like putting too much plugins on my WordPress site. So what I need to do is just to go to appearance, then go to theme file editor. I'll click on this. I'll click on this. Once I click on it's coming up. It's coming up. Network. So once this open, okay, so once it's open, what I need to do, this is style.css. Then I'll go to header.php. As you can see, this is header.php. I'll click on header.php because that's the header component of the site. So find this is the closing header tag. You can see that this is closing header tag. So I can just click on this, then put paste. Once I do that, I will come here and update this. Once I click on update, it will automatically update this for me. So this is just how simple it is to add Google code. So after that, the next thing to do is just to wait. Google will reply you with, as you can see, your site is under review. So after 14 days, they will reply you to know whether you have successfully, whether they have approved your blog. If they have approved your blog, when you come to home, you now see your money, your statistics, the number of clicks, the impression, the CPM and all that. And all this stuff, privacy and messaging, will now be bright as the other one, even optimization. So but if you are rejected, then they will tell you still come back, go to your site, then go to show detail. They will not tell you the policy that you are violating, then how you can fix that. But make sure to watch my video. This video, there's a video on my YouTube channel. On how to get AdSense approved. This is a step-by-step video. Do well to watch that video. So this is just the end of this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I post an awesome video like this. So thanks for watching this video.